Let's get a quick tutorial on how you can create the contact list in the DialonCloud. Firstly, you need to log into your DialonCloud account, where you can see the contacts option. Click on that. Here you can see the new contacts option. Click on the new contacts button. Here you see the basic information form. You need to fill in all the required details and then click on Save Button. On other hand, if you have a large number of contacts, you can upload the CSV file. Remember, the uploading of the file will depend upon the plan you are using. For a basic plan, you have to upload it according to the default format, and for other plans, you can customize the file. To upload the CSV file, click on the Import button, where you get this type of interface. Import your contacts by simply clicking or dragging a file here. To know the default format, you can download the sample CSV file. Once you have uploaded the file, you have to select the contact group and select Done. All your contacts are imported.